Weekend grilling doesn't need a backyard when smart electric options exist. Best Electric Grill for balcony setups delivers smoke-free cooking, compact size, and steady heat control. Perfect for apartments. They make burgers, veggies, and steaks easy to cook without charcoal or propane. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ninja GR101 Electric Grill. The Ninja GR101 Electric Grill is a versatile indoor cooking appliance designed for people who want the flavor of grilled food without the hassle of outdoor grilling. One of its standout features is the interchangeable grill and griddle plates, which allow you to switch between classic grilling and flat-top cooking with ease. Whether you're preparing juicy strip steaks, grilled chicken, or sizzling fajita vegetables, the grill plate delivers attractive char marks and even cooking. When you swap in the griddle plate, the appliance instantly becomes perfect for breakfast foods like pancakes, eggs, and bacon. This flexibility makes it a practical solution for households that want multiple cooking options without adding several appliances to the kitchen. Performance is another strong point of the Ninja GR101. With a maximum heat level of 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers the high temperatures needed for proper searing and grilling. This heat capability helps lock in juices and develop a flavorful crust on meats, something that many indoor grills struggle to achieve. The grill also uses an edge-to-edge heating system that distributes heat evenly across the cooking surface. As a result, you won't experience frustrating hot spots or cold zones while cooking. Food cooks consistently from one corner of the plate to the other, which is especially helpful when preparing multiple servings at once. Number 2. Charbroil Bistro Electric Grill. The Charbroil Bistro Electric Grill offers a unique solution for grill lovers who want both the convenience of electricity and the rich flavor of charcoal. Its innovative electric-to-coal cooking system allows the grill to function as a traditional electric grill or convert into a charcoal grill whenever you want deeper smoky flavor. This flexibility is perfect for people who enjoy experimenting with different grilling styles while still keeping the setup simple. On days when you want authentic barbecue taste, you can add charcoal and even wood chunks to the charcoal rack to enhance the smoke profile of your food. One of the most impressive aspects of this grill is its high heat capability. The Charbroil Bistro can reach temperatures as high as 650 degrees Fahrenheit, which is significantly hotter than many electric grills on the market. This high heat makes it easier to achieve proper searing, creating a flavorful crust on steaks, burgers, and other meats. High heat also allows vegetables to caramelize beautifully, bringing out their natural sweetness and enhancing the overall taste of grilled dishes. Despite its powerful performance, the grill maintains a compact footprint that works well for patios, balconies, and smaller outdoor spaces. Many apartment complexes or residential areas restrict propane or charcoal grills, so an electric grill like this one offers a practical alternative. Number 3. George Drip Electric Grill. The George Drip Electric Grill is designed for people who want simple, convenient grilling without dealing with charcoal, propane, or complicated equipment. With a large 200 square inch grilling surface, this electric grill can prepare more than 12 servings at once, making it a great choice for family gatherings, tailgate parties, or casual cookouts with friends. Its rectangular design provides plenty of room to cook multiple burgers, chicken pieces, vegetables, or other grilled favorites at the same time. One of the most appealing aspects of this grill is that it is apartment-friendly. Many apartment buildings restrict open flames or charcoal grilling, but this fully electric system allows you to enjoy grilled food without breaking those rules. Because it doesn't use propane or charcoal, there are no flare-ups or sudden bursts of flame to worry about. This makes the grill easier and safer to use in smaller outdoor spaces, such as balconies or patios. Temperature control is another helpful feature. The adjustable temperature probe allows you to select from 5 different heat settings depending on what you're cooking. Lower settings work well for delicate foods like fish or vegetables, while higher settings are ideal for burgers, sausages, and thicker cuts of meat. This range of heat levels gives you the flexibility to cook many different types of meals with consistent results. Number 4. Weber Q1400 Electric Grill. The Weber Q1400 electric grill brings the trusted quality of a well-known grilling brand into the electric grill category. Designed for both convenience and performance, this compact grill provides a dependable solution for people who want authentic grilling results without the need for propane or charcoal. Its powerful 1560-watt electric heating element delivers consistent heat across the entire cooking surface, ensuring that food cooks evenly from edge to edge. The grill features a 189 square-inch cooking area, which offers enough space to prepare several burgers, steaks, or portions of vegetables at once. While it is smaller than some traditional outdoor grills, the cooking area is well suited for couples, small families, or anyone with limited outdoor space. Its size also makes it a practical choice for balconies, patios, and other compact environments where larger grills may not fit comfortably. Durability is one of the defining qualities of the Weber Q1400. The cooking grates are made from porcelain-enameled cast iron, a material known for excellent heat retention and even heat distribution. These heavy-duty grates help produce attractive grill marks and consistent cooking results while maintaining a stable temperature during grilling. The grill also features a cast aluminum lid and body. Number 5. OLIXIS Dehydrate Electric Grill. The OLIXIS Dehydrate Electric Grill stands out as a highly versatile cooking appliance designed to replace several traditional kitchen tools. Instead of functioning as a simple grill, this appliance combines multiple cooking methods into one compact unit. It can operate as an air fryer, baker, roasting oven, vegetable steamer, steak grill, and even a dehydrator. This all-in-one design is ideal for households that want to simplify their kitchen setup while still maintaining the ability to cook a wide variety of meals. One of the most impressive aspects of this grill is its wide range of cooking functions. The appliance offers 4 temperature levels: low, medium, high, and max, which power 8 different cooking modes. These include air fry, bake, roast, vegetable, steak, reheat, broil, and dehydrate. With these options, you can easily prepare everything from crispy snacks and roasted vegetables to perfectly grilled steaks and dried fruit. The cooking surface features a non-stick coating designed to help food release easily during grilling and air frying. This coating not only prevents sticking, but also reduces the amount of oil needed during cooking, helping create lighter meals. The grill also includes a dedicated fry basket that allows you to prepare crispy foods using circulating hot air rather than deep frying. Temperature performance is another strong point. The grill operates within a range of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.